All right, so we have the user call as Rob created. So as you can see in the user's dashboard, we've got two users, Rob that was created recently. So let's see how Rob can log in. So let's understand the procedure Rob will use to log in and get access to the resources. Okay, so I'll take a step back and show you something on the dashboard. So I'll go back here, and then you might have noticed already that there is a IAM users sign in link. So all the IAM users will use the following link to log into AWS portal. Okay. So what I'm going to do is copy this and then launch incognito mode and then paste the URL here. So this is what Rob will use always to log into the AWS portal. So this is my account ID specific to my subscription. Then I'll type Rob here and then type Rob's password. I don't know Rob's password yet, so I will minimize this, quickly navigate to user section and see if I can reset Rob's password. So I can go to security credentials and right there's a console password option. Click on manage and then select this radio button, custom password, and then type in the password here, okay? So I'll go ahead and type some random password and then click on apply. I also have the option to go ahead and let Rob reset the password, and this is what we do in the production as well. You will go ahead and check this, share this password with him over email or some other communication channel. But since we are working in a demo environment, I'll leave this unchecked to speed up the labs, okay? So I'll click on apply. All right, so that's Rob's password. Go back to the Rob's sign-in portal now. All right, so here in this password section, I'll fill up the credentials and then click on sign in. Now, once Rob signs in, he should be able to make modifications to S3 bucket only. Although he can see that we can create EC2 instance and probably Elastic Beanstalk as well. And then he's able to view everything that AWS provides. But does he have permissions to go ahead and create a EC2 instance? Okay, let's see that. So Rob is very curious now. He clicks on the EC2 dashboard and tries to maybe create an instance. Now he's in the EC2 dashboard. Let's say he wants to know how many running instances are there in the subscription. He clicks on that and then he gets a message that is not authorized to perform this operation. Absolutely. This is because Rob has been granted permissions just to the S3, that to read-only permissions, and then he can change his password. That's all. So Rob is kind of a new user, and then he's allowed to access S3 only based on the permission set that has been granted. So I'll go back to S3 to see if I can actually read and view all the buckets. All right, there you go. Rob is able to see all the buckets. Can he upload something? Of course not. He will not be able to upload because Rob has just read-only permissions based on what we granted to him.